Hey everybody, this is Hugo,
And I'm Andrew. We're with Golden View Renovation.
and we're here in Palo Alto, California today. We just completed a new 525 square foot ADU build out, and we're here to give you guys a special insight. This new project consisted of 2 separate units with full working amenities, including 2 bathrooms, working spaces, and 2 independent lofts. We also did some surrounding work throughout, including a new 400 amp main panel upgrade and some hardscape and landscaping work. Let's go check it out together.
Welcome to this area, guys. So what we've got going on here is a fully functional bathroom with a nice pocket door to close off the space. All right, so what we have over here, this is a fully outfitted kitchen, and we've got a refrigerator, microwave, a cooktop, as well as a washing machine here, ready for your friends and family to come visit and stay with you for as long as they need.
Welcome to one of 2 loft spaces inside of this ADU. This space was specifically designed by our in-house architect in order to maximize the amount of space that we could use for the bedroom space, considering this is a conversion. This kind of space is ideal for rentals, for when families in town, in order to have their own personal space that they can use to their advantage. Hey guys, it's been Hugo.
And Andrew, we're with Golden View Renovation.
It's a pleasure to show you guys the space today. If you guys are interested in a similar development and you don't know where to begin, feel free to reach out to us and we can get you started on establishing the next step. Have a great day.